Beginners are advised to stay away from the market for the time being. Nifty has already touched a new high and is sustaining to the upper level is quite doubtful. If it trades at such a level for another 2 days, then definitely it will retrace. Market is expected to be highly volatile, and it's a request to all of you to trade with caution. As you are aware, RBI Governor has already given a statement on stock market bubble. So, though technical view on chart still shows continuation of bullish trend, please wait for the market to settle down. There is no harm in allowing the market to wait for you rather than you eagerly wait for the market. Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vega Stocks. In this video, we will discuss and analyze Bank Nifty's price action and we'll try to predict for tomorrow. But before we start, a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tip. And if you are new, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. As you can see the screen, this is a 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty, and as you can see on Friday it moved to the upper side and then there was a slight retracement. Because the market was slightly bearish and mostly sideways, so simply draw a horizontal line marking the top and bottom, just as shown on the screen. So do not buy call until and unless price doesn't crosses 35,440, and similarly don't buy put until and unless price doesn't crosses 34,980. If price is trading between this range, avoid trading and expect a sideways market continuation. If market opens flat and goes up, buy call only when it crosses 5,440 and then retest this level and goes up. If it opens flat and goes down, do not buy put until it doesn't crosses 34,980. In fact, if it doesn't crosses 34,900 levels and retest that level or make a price action. Okay. Now if there is a gap up opening above Friday's closing price but below 35,440 levels, then buy call only when you see price taking support at the closing price, and if it breaks closing price, then avoid buying put till the time it doesn't crosses 34,900. You should avoid buying put. Okay. Now if there is a gap down opening but above 34,900 levels, then buy put only when it breaks 34,900 levels and make a price action. Please remember, there is a strong support at 34,900 levels, so avoid buying put until the price doesn't crosses 34,900. Now if there is a huge gap up or huge gap down opening, then trade as per price action. Remember, Monday's closing may decide how market will move in the future. So tomorrow's closing is really very important. I'd request if you can wait till Monday's closing, then it will be actually a wise decision. Hope I have covered all the points, but if I missed anything, do let me know in the comment box and hit the like button. If you like this video, then please appreciate my effort by sharing and subscribing to this channel. Keep sharing to your families, friends and colleagues so that they also get benefited. Thank you for your support and happy trading.